Hi, this is Brad with Nomad Cycles, and today I have Lisa here. We just did a project that's near and dear to my heart, and she's going to tell us about it.
Back in the 90s, my dad bought me this Schwinn cruiser that that's been with me ever since, and I'm moving to Finland, and I just had a hard time parting with the frame, so I thought to make it worth the shipping fees, I'd want to get it converted to an e-bike. I wasn't sure if it would be possible, but I brought it in and they did an amazing job, and it's sort of one of the last few things I have of my dad that I get to take with me now and help me toodle around Helsinki. So thank you so much. And it turned out better than I thought. I'm really amazed. It still has the beach cruiser vibes, you know?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
It's so much more meaningful than just a bike. This is like an heirloom that's past the generations and means something to you.
Yeah, and I've had it for 30 plus years, and I'm gonna have it for 30 more now.
That's so good.